Miriwoong is an indigenous language which is spoken in the East Kimberley region of Western Australia. Unfortunately, since colonization, our language has been slowly weakening, and with only a handful of fluent speakers remaining. It's alive, but it's under threat. But why is language so important? Well, it's the main way people form a connection to their culture. Imagine if you all of a sudden become a minority because the language you spoke slowly disappeared, meaning you were no longer able to communicate with those around you. Simple tasks like going to the shops, paying your bills, or chatting to people would become impossible. With language playing such an important role in cultural identity, when a language disappears, so too does its culture. Also, research shows people who speak their traditional language typically have better physical and mental health, are more likely to complete school, gain employment, and are less likely to abuse alcohol and illegal substances.
So what are we doing to keep Miriwoong alive? In the early 1970s, the Mirima Dawang Woorlab-gerring Language and Culture Center was established to preserve and revitalize our language. Through our journey, we remain indigenous run and led. Our vision is to continue working together for further documenting and reclaiming our language to benefit future generations. As a not-for-profit organization, we rely on your support to save Miriwoong. To find out more and donate, please visit mirima.org.au. Wuri yeranginga walang Miriwoong yariangang kadangingayar ngaga yeri. If our language is lost, we as Miriwoong people won't know who we really are. We will be nothing.